Damn it. Oh no. Oh no. Hello there, I am the Fairy Gothmother. Welcome to my first video. I apologise in advance. Today we're going to be making a resin bat necklace. Let's take a look at the materials we're going to need. UV resin, purple plastic chain, a lobster clasp, extension chain, jump rings, screw bales, glitter, a silicone bat mould, and finally some black resin dye. Okay, let's get started. First, pour the UV resin into the mould. Leave a little space though, we're going to add more stuff later. Next we're going to add some glitter to the surface of the resin, and to our table, and everything else that we own. Oh dear. Now it's time to cure the resin with a UV torch. Nobody really tells you this, but this part really smells terrible. Crack a window before you do this. Add 1 or 2 drops of dye to the resin. Be careful not to use too much, otherwise it might not cure, and I've had that problem before. Remember that space I told you to leave in the mould? It's time to pour the black resin into that and get it cured. I've already gone ahead and made a second, smaller bat for our necklace, and now I'm going to go ahead and trim off all the excess resin using a pair of wire cutters. And now it's time for the really tricky part. Drop a tiny bit of UV resin on the edge of your bat and hold a screw bale inside the drop and try to cure it to the edge. Believe me, this is really difficult. You can see how much my hands are shaking. Now we're going to add a little bit of black resin over the top of that just to hide the screw bale. You don't really need to do this step, but it just looks kind of extra nice. Now we're going to attach our 3 bats together with jump rings. This step is also a lot harder than it looks. Cut the purple chain in half. Use the jump rings to add the lobster clasp to one half of the chain and add the extension chain to the other. Finally, we just have to add our plastic chain to our bats to make the full necklace. It's really simple as that. Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I really hope you'll like and subscribe because it means so much to me. Don't forget to check out the links below for more of my work. I hope to see you all soon. Bye!